Now you're going to put in the beehoon. And all you need to do here is just to make sure your beehoon is nicely coated with all the sauce. That's it.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Many people like cooking frying beehoon, but they always tell Appa that their beehoon has a lot of problem. Either it breakouts into too short of pieces, or it is not springy enough. So to solve these two problems, I'm going to show you how to do that correctly, and almost 100% this will work. Okay, so I have 3 pieces of beehoon here. A lot of people ask me what brand I like to use. I use A1. But this is not a promotional video, but I like to use A1. I'm sure other brand will be okay too. Then you're going to need quite a lot of this is shallot slice, yeah, or small ginger. Sorry, small onion, yeah, shallot or small onion. This you want to make some give it some shallot oil that is going to flavor the beehoon later. And this is to bring the and further enhance the flavor, which is some dried shrimp, yeah, which is dried shrimp, rinse and mince. Next thing, prepare 1 pot of boiling water. Make sure it is boiling. And we can put in a little bit of oil into the boiling water here. Next thing, put in the beehoon, and we shall blanch the beehoon for exactly 1 minute. Nothing longer, nothing shorter. Yeah, 60 seconds. And meanwhile, at the side, you prepare a pot with a cover. All right, a pot with a cover, with a lid. So this particular process here, we are going to cook the beehoon to about 70 or 80% cook in the blanching process, yeah? All right, exactly 60 seconds. We're going to take it out. Put it into the pot at the side. And we shall cover it with a lid. So it will have some residual heat, and this residual heat is going to continue cooking the beehoon, and this process is going to make your beehoon very, very springy. That is the trick. Next thing, we're going to put some oil in the wok and heat it up. Then we can put in the shallot. We're going to make some shallot oil, yeah? We will add in the dried shrimp a bit later, because shallot takes a little bit longer to brown. Yeah, so we are trying to brown the shallot a little bit before we continue. Oh, it's already very fragrant. The moment you start seeing some shallot started to brown, we can put in the dried shrimp. Dried shrimp, seriously, it will really bring out the flavor very well. A bit too hot, I lower down the heat a bit. Shallot and dried shrimp is the best combination for beehoon, yeah? So next thing, once it started to brown, we can put in some water. Not too much, yeah? Now I want to lower down the heat. Let's give it some seasoning. If you want to add in any veggie, you can add it right now. I'm not adding any veggie today because I'm actually making a beehoon kosong or economic beehoon because I have some leftover curry chicken yesterday. So I'm going to eat it together with that. Perfect match, yeah? A bit of salt. A bit of light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce. A bit of my cooking appa chicken stock powder for those who has it. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. For those who are not interested, don't worry about it. You can put in a bit of oyster sauce also, up to you. Now we're going to raise the heat. Now this sauce here, it cannot be too much. If it's too much, then your beehoon can be soggy. Yeah? Now before we add in the beehoon, there's one more thing we need to do here. Very quickly, I'm going to show it to you. So here's our beehoon. Alright. You can actually already feel it is very springy. Now, to make it easier to stir fry, we're going to give it some few cuts, so that you don't have to stir fry for too long. One of the main reasons why your beehoon ended up to be extremely breaking all over the place is because you stir fry for too long in the wok. Now you're going to put in the beehoon. And all you need to do here is just to make sure your beehoon is nicely coated with all the sauce. That's it. We don't want to stir fry for too long in the wok. And you don't forget your beehoon right now is like 90% cooked already even before we put it in, yeah? Ah, see, very fast. And this way I'm telling you, don't make too much sauce. It can actually make it soggy. So just nice, yeah? One small cup of water, small cup or small bowl. Yeah, you just want your beehoon to nicely soak out all the broth, the onion flavored sauce. Almost there. Alright, see? It did not break out into smaller pieces. See? That is the trick. And it is super springy. And it is done. That's how simple it is. So right before serving, we'll give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Alright. See? It is very springy. So here's my very simple economy fried beehoon today. If you like my beehoon, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa same Facebook fan page. You click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. This is my breakfast today with my family, with my curry chicken. Alright, bye bye.